From something created with leftover stuff, I'm really impressed with myself. Technically, the remaining clay from my Ganesha video was used for this project. Starting with our first lamp-like structure, I'm just using my knuckle to create a dent in the rolled ball of clay and trying to sculpt the lamp. We will be doing the same for the second lamp as well, just a little bit smaller in size. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every week. And about the base, I started with a circular one, but then I ended up making a leaf shape since I felt it looked better and very similar to the lamps as well. The final piece is a little shoe shape, or you can say L-shaped structure with a hole large enough for the smoke to flow through easily. And lastly, we are just joining all the pieces together.